This is a video regarding the how to be a good existing human human created, because the human started from the monkey. So why is Charles Darwin make a revolution regarding the human? Well, in fact, we think that we are already human, but with the theory according to Darwin, the evolution of man is started from being a monkey, an ape, all the um, King Kong, and then suddenly it became human. That's the evolution of human. So, believe it or not, there is really an history of a humankind. So, we must be aware every time we are think about it, that we have to accept that we are the highest intelligence of the animal kingdom, because we are part of a animal. So, since we are being evolved as a human, then we are must be proud, because it's already developed the new technology because of a humankind. So what are the benefits if all the new technology will accomplish by the human? So there will be a not so very difficult in doing the work, especially the labor, because ang labor ay napakahirap ng trabaho. Nowadays, we have already factory. So, what are the advantage of having a factory? The fastest we are the production of a uh, production of a product. Ano ba tong tawag na to? Yung mga materials na dapat kailangan natin ay napapadali dahil sa mga new technology. That's why we are very thankful kung sino man ang nangunguna sa mga makabagong teknolohiya. So, we also have to share our parts, kasi we are the people also working, and so we are proud of. So, how to achieve this kind of share of knowledge, and even how to communicate with these people, because here in the Mindanao province, Vismin, they call it Vismin, because Visayas Mindanao. So in here we are being proud, because we are as per documentation, we are fighting what are the exact rule that they are being implemented. So aside from our being respectful for the one who is really who created us, so we have to acknowledge the principle, what are the plans, the exact plan that we have to do in our place. So we must have to obey, kailangan talaga tayo sumunod, pero hindi naman kailangan hindi natin ipagtanggol ang ating mga karapatan. Meron din po tayong makarapatan na ating pinapagtanggol. That's why we have to clarify first, and to show them this is the result of our hard work. Kasi pag we put negativity to them, it will cost trouble, and we must have to avoid that. So we trying to make things to be settled in here first before we go forward, because it will be a trouble if we go directly. So we just have to communicate if we can, because we are trying to communicate with these rebellion people. It's hard to communicate with those rebellion, because as a human, we are also concerned with them, because many also fighting what are the exact fighting for a new technology that will come on their way, because many already died fighting for the rights. And we are praying and hoping that these people will understand that we have to be progressive in understanding the cooperation of those people who are trying to improve our place. Because without the help of the entire people, we cannot really do an exact plan. If there is a plan with those highest position, because they are the one who are capable to do what are the best thing to accomplish, to provide, because they have the weapon, they have the accessories, and they have the authority. What are the exact things to be given to the low abiding citizen? So we have to be also to acknowledge if we are being granted rights, because the rights are very important for the human. I would like to thank you, because at this point of time I can share my information without conveying in front, because I know it's not easy to communicate with these people because they have their own business. But then if you can just hear our what do you call that, hinaing in Tagalog, hinaing, then maybe it will improve their uh, state of thinking, because we are also part of this improving nation. And according for the Republic Act, there should be a constitutional uh, constitutional cut